Hey, what's up folks? If you're looking for the best air conditioners, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best air conditioner options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which air conditioners is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. SereneLife SLPAC10. The SereneLife SLPAC10 is not only affordable, but also one of the lightest portable air conditioners we tested. This makes it a top choice for people who might need to move it around on high-pile carpet or switch it from room to room as the day goes on. Setup only took our tester 5 minutes, and when it's ready to store for the winter, the SereneLife's window kit and hose disassemble quickly. Going by specs alone, a 10,000 B2 rating is pretty great for a budget-friendly AC. In addition to not breaking the bank, the SereneLife includes a convenient remote that controls fan speed, temperature settings, vent swing, and adjustable timers. Though the unit is on the louder side, it isn't horribly distracting and can easily be shrugged off as white noise. Should you buy it? Of all the portable AC units we've tested, the SereneLife SLPAC10 is the easiest to set up. Its 10,000 BTUs of cooling prowess make it a great machine for chilling small to medium-sized rooms, and it isn't overly loud. It might not work for a large space or a room with high ceilings. Number 2. Hisense HLAW0825TW, this L-shaped air conditioner, is remarkably similar to our top pick both in design and performance, but you'll need a smartphone to access all the controls. The Hisense HLAW0825TW is a quiet, efficient inverter-style air conditioner designed to help you retain access to your window. It performed nearly the same in our tests too. This AC is shaped more like an L than a U, which makes the inside part look more like a mini split. It doesn't really save you any extra space though, since you can still see the taller exterior part of the unit through the window. The bracket for the Hisense is a little clunkier than the one on the Midea US, but the AC does have better drainage built into the base pan, which should help to further alleviate any heightened mold concerns. The Hisense is pretty limited when it comes to onboard controls, however. If you want to do anything besides change the temperature setting, you'll need the clunky remote control, or you'll need to connect your phone. It is Matter certified, but you'll be able to access more settings if you use the Hisense Connect Life app instead. Number 3. Frigidaire FHWW084TE. If you just want a traditional window air conditioner that cools the room well without breaking the bank, the Frigidaire FHWW084TE1 is your best option. It also comes with the option to add one of Frigidaire's MERV14 air filters for improved home air quality. This model is louder than our other picks and doesn't have an inverter compressor, although it still has the highest energy efficiency rating you can find on a standard AC. If you want to save even more money, the Frigidaire FHWC083TC1 is essentially the same machine without the smart home capabilities or upgraded filter option. This guide also includes a few recommendations for other AC styles, including through-the-wall units and options for casement windows. We have a separate guide for freestanding portable air conditioners. If you're looking for a more permanent cooling system, we have some advice on how to shop for a heat pump or ductless mini split as well. Number 4. LG Portable Air Conditioner. Portable air conditioners provide convenience at the cost of being bulkier and pricier than window units. So we like them primarily for situations where a window or mini split system isn't feasible due to window designs or the layout of your space. Our favorite mobile option is the LG Appliances Home Comfort 1000 BTU Wi-Fi connected portable air conditioner because it's easy to move around, very quiet during operation, and features a secure vent system that's easy to disconnect when it's time to move or store the unit. We tested this portable air conditioner in a large open-plan living and dining room space during the heart of a humid Chicago summer, and we were impressed with how it maintained a consistent temperature in the face of fluctuating weather. We especially appreciated the dehumidifying feature, a huge benefit for those days when the humidity is high enough to be uncomfortable but not hot enough to warrant air conditioning. We also like that it has 3 control methods, all of which are intuitive and easy to use. While the portable air conditioner includes a 2-pint water chamber to hold condensation, you won't need to empty it frequently. During testing, we found that it does collect during operation, but the unit evaporates it using the hot exhaust and pumps it outside. Number 5. Windmill Window Air Conditioner. The Windmill Window Air Conditioner truly stands out in a crowd of clunky dated designs. We set up the 8,000 BTU option in an open living room area that transitions to a kitchen and dining room and love its subtle, sleek appearance. It easily cools larger open areas, which was especially great for us on an unseasonably warm 80-degree spring day. It's also fairly quiet on its low setting. We could easily watch TV with it on. The corresponding app makes it easy to adjust the exact temperature setting while sitting on the couch or working from another room. The app is our preferred way to control this AC unit, but it also comes with a remote that allows you to increase or decrease the temperature and switch between modes. The on-unit buttons are fairly small, so it's a little more challenging to adjust directly, although we do like that the set temperature is brightly displayed. The installation process is just as seamless as the operation. This window AC even comes with additional panels to cover the fitting on either side of the unit and scissors for cutting those panels. While this particular model is more expensive, given its smaller coverage area of 350 square feet, number 6. Senville series mini split air conditioner large spaces require extra cooling capacity, which is difficult to find in window and portable air conditioners. Our favorite option for large spaces is the Senville LETO series mini split air conditioner because it has smart home connectivity and provides heat during cooler parts of the year. The 12,000 BTU version of this mini split system can cool rooms up to 700 square feet, so we think it's good for large open concept areas, living rooms, workshops, and other big open spaces. It's also available in a few other configurations up to 30,000 BTU for even larger spaces. The Senville LETO series is quite efficient as well, with the 12,000 BTU model having a SEER2 rating of 20.8, which is in line with the efficiency of central air conditioning systems. It's also significantly more energy efficient than any of our other recommendations. We like that this system includes smart home connectivity, with a Wi-Fi mobile that lets you connect to your Amazon Echo smart speaker for voice controls. It also includes a phone app you can use to monitor and operate the air conditioner even when you aren't home. When you are home, you can use either the phone app or the physical remote. Number 7. Keystone 12,000 BTU Through-The-Wall AC. This through-the-wall air conditioner from Keystone is a more permanent alternative to a window unit. With a 12,000 BTU output, this unit can cool rooms up to 550 square feet. It comes in multiple sizes, ranging from 8,000 to 14,000 BTU, and a heating function is optional on all models. This unit can dehumidify up to 2.5 pints of moisture per hour. One of the best things about this wall air conditioner, however, is that the thermostat is built into the remote control. This unique feature allows you to monitor the temperature of the entire room, not just the immediate vicinity of the air conditioner. Other helpful features include a front access washable filter, 3 cooling modes and fan speeds, and a programmable 24-hour timer. Once the desired temperature is reached, this unit can be set to energy saver mode for maximum efficiency. A trim kit is included, but take note that a wall sleeve is required for installation. Number 8. Dreo AC55T portable air conditioner. This model from Dreo is relatively affordable compared to some other portable and window ADC units, and it packs enough power and features to make it a worthwhile purchase. One of the things we liked the most was the included remote. You may pair the ADC with Dreo's app, but we loved using the controller to adjust the cooling speed and temperature, set the sleep timer, and turn on the auto swing function. The remote is magnetic and stores right on the ADC itself, so you don't risk losing it. The window exhaust hose has a foam seal, so air is less likely to escape or sneak inside, and there's a dehumidifier for getting rid of excess moisture in the room. Another feature that sets this ADC apart from the rest is that it's drainage-free. Instead, it has a dedicated condenser and water pump to aid evaporation. Number 9. Midea Duo 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner. We use this Midea portable ADAC in our office's computer service room after the regular air conditioning system went kaput, and it cooled down the space in a short amount of time, working faster than some of the other models we've tested. Once it's set, it gets to work blowing cold air almost immediately. With a variable speed inverter, the unit cycles through modes depending on the temperature of the room and your desired setting. This makes it a more convenient option than a model you have to change manually, or with less adjustable controls. The louvers oscillate back and forth, and you can control its movement or stop at a desired level for more direct airflow. It has a dual hose design, one for intake and one for exhaust, so it works quickly and efficiently, and sits around 42 decibels on its lowest setting. Number 10. GE Profile PPHV10WF 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner. To our pleasant surprise, the GE portable AC doesn't sacrifice power for quiet operation. With a dual hose design, the air conditioner can take in and exhaust air at a much faster and efficient rate than single hose designs, so you get cool air almost immediately. Reviews editor Tom Price could tell a noticeable difference in temperature in a mid-sized room. Holding up my hand to the vents, I felt a cold blast of air much stronger than other options I tried out. Going even further, the Profile has a turbo mode that turns the fans up to an even higher level. One of the highlights of this portable model are the auto louvers, which help to evenly distribute air in a given space by shifting the slats up and down. This is beneficial for actually moving cold air around a room, rather than just blasting the breeze in one direction.